welcome back. This is the second lesson of my Russian reading course. Today we will review the letters from lesson 1 and learn 5 new ones. So stay with me. To help you study more effectively, I created extra learning materials for every lesson. A full presentation with the lesson summary, extra phonetic exercises, a Quizlet set with all the words from the video and handwriting practice for the letters. You can get all the additional materials through the link in the description on Buy Me a Coffee page. These letters look familiar, don't they? This is K. Next one, L. M. N. O. P. R. S. T. Now listen the letter and point it. L. S. N. T. M. O. K. P. R. Great job! Now let's meet our new 5 letters. The first letter V. V. Like in the English word when. V. V. Next one, Y. It consists of 2 sounds. Y, E. Y. Y. Next one, U. U. This one, H. H. When we say ha 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 or house, we say this sound. H. And the last one, A. A. One more time. V. Y. U. H. A. And guess what letter is it? U. A. H. V. Y. Great! Now let's practice syllables. В, Е, Ве, В, У, Ву, В, А, Ва, Х, Е, Хе, Х, У, Ху, Х, А, Ха, В, У, Х. Вух. У, Х, В. Ухв. В, А, Х. Вах. А, Х, В. Ахв. В, Е, Х, Вех. Е, Х, В, Ехв. Now your turn. Ха, Ох, Ув, Ве, Ехв, Ахв, Вех, Вух. Excellent! Let's read the words. У-ха, уха, у-хо, ухо, ха-ос, house. Ма, мама. Па, папа. Вера, Вера. Роса. Стул. Сова. Орех. Нора. Весна. Ворон. Венок. Комета. And the last one. Палатка. So guys, now you can read a lot of Russian words and you know so many letters and the sounds. I hope you will practice these words at home and see you on video 3. Пока-пока!